Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by capturing clean audio so the transcript is accurate. First, position yourself in a low-noise room and set the microphone input so peaks avoid clipping. This prevents distortion that ruins recognition. Once done, open your chosen transcription app or API and select the correct language and sample rate because mismatches produce poor results. Make sure to choose a mic type, USB versus XLR, and enable any hardware noise reduction. Start a short test recording to confirm levels and clarity before proceeding. Now record your full audio while maintaining a consistent distance from the microphone and using a pop filter to cut plosives. During recording or immediately after, enable features like punctuation, speaker diarization, and choose real-time streaming or batch processing depending on length. Next, tweak model settings. Prioritize accuracy for documentation or speed for quick notes, enable timestamps if you need time-coded transcripts, and decide whether to redact profanity. These configuration steps shape the output, so iterate on short samples until you get the desired balance. Finish by reviewing the generated transcript and correcting proper nouns, acronyms, and homophones that automated tools commonly miss. Once cleaned, export to the format you need, plain text, docx, or SRT for subtitles, and include timestamps and speaker labels if required. If the transcript quality is poor, troubleshoot. Confirm mic levels, rerun noise reduction, and verify the chosen language and model. Sometimes switching to a higher accuracy model or increasing sample rate fixes errors. One key tip: run a short.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.